So I wanted to take a quick look at the GoPro Hero 8 and the GoPro Hero 9 and how they physically compare. And we can see here already that we have microphone holes here and a water drain hole there in the 8, and the 9 has a complete door-like kind of contraption with like a much wider hole down here and up here to get more air in there or not. Let's look at the top. We see the 9 is much wider. We also see that the 9 has a microphone hole here and the 8 does not. And then the battery door on the 9 is much wider. On the 9 it has this little extra latch here. You can see this here, where the 8 does not have that. Let's open the 8. Let's open the 9. We see that the 9 battery is wider and has the blue top, where the 8 battery has only the blue bottom. Right, it's black on top, bottom. The 7 battery is black on both sides, bottom and top. Okay. And close this again. Recording both lights. Here we see that we have on the bottom the same mount basically, but the 9 has 2 speakers in there, while the 8 has only 1. And then last not least, on the back here, the screen is much bigger on the 9 than it is on the 8. The first initial look we see on the screen that when recording we get a little dot here, and in this one we get an area around the number. So I am here by accident in some other, in the photo thing, I guess. There's video. So when we do a video recording, I get here a red area around the time to indicate recording, where there is a recording dot there. On the 8, I don't know if you can see this here. When I hold my hand here, you'd see that little dot better. But other than that, the button sticks out a little, the on-off button. Here it's more flush. Let me stop recording. I can push and hold here to turn off, and the same here. Alright, this does not have a removable lens cover, let's say that. This one has a removable lens cover that does not fit with the 7. So the 7 has a removable lens cover, and the 8, but they don't fit, they have different sizes. So if you hold this here right in front of it, here you can see, if I flush up here, you can see here it is wider. The 8 has a square lens and this is rectangular. Yeah, that's what we can say about this. Plus the screen, right? Of course, the front screen. This one has a front screen with picture, and this one has a front screen with numbers only. When you try to turn them on with one button push, this one is on already. This one is not on. I push the on button and nothing happens, as you can see. This is a problem what you have with GoPro cameras, all models. I had the same happen with the 9. See, when you click on it, it just doesn't come on. It will probably drain the battery now, and next time you need it, it still doesn't come on. You can remove the battery here, just to show this. Plug it back in, and then when you turn it on, it will come on immediately. So we wanted to look up front, right? So we have here a thing there, and here we need to switch the front screen on. We go in here, this would be this, and we can select different options and what we want to see. So if you want to see everything, you go like this. Basically, yeah. See the studio here. Alright. There's different selections. X out of it, and then it has the front screen off, basically. There's nothing displayed here.